Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you, it's a Buick Enclave 2008 year model. I'm going to change the fog light and let's get started. At this moment, this is the broad daylight and this is how the lights look. These are the fog light H11. I'm going to change it, LED light itself. And this is the original OEM bulb. It's very easy to change it. On the driver side, the LED, and on the passenger side is OEM light. And if you see the difference, it's really bright. It's very bright and very white, and the other one is very yellowish. This is the fender wall. We're going to open 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 screw. In order to access the back of the fog light, it's a good idea you bring your tires inside. This is a perfect. So what happens is that you have enough room and now we can put our hand inside. Once we remove all these 5 screws, then you pull this fender wall, and this is all you need to do. You press it like this. This is the bulb H11. So we're going to do it anti-clockwise and we pull it out, and this is the bulb comes out. In order to open this, you open this tab up, you lift up, and this one. So when you do this, it's a good idea if you have a 2-person, then they can pull it, but you can do it like this. You wiggle around, you open this side, then you come back again, comes out just like that. And now I'm going to get the LED. So it has orientation. If you look at this big groove, and if we look at inside, there is a groove. So it's going to fit only one way. It's not going to fit other way. So that's it. Once it's locks in, and now we're going to go back again. So we're going to press it with one hand, and we're going to take this one inside. So these are the grooves. When you put it inside, then it sits in. Once it sits in right there, then you turn it around clockwise, and it goes straight. And now it's fit. So this is how easy and simple to replace the fog light. Now I'm going to put the screws back in, and the same procedure I'm going to do it on the other side. After replacing the LED, this is a broad daylight. If you look at the LEDs, they are very bright, and I hope you like this. If you like to upgrade your Buick and you want to see those fog lights, then I'm going to list the product number under my description. Please check it out. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.